Have you started a YouTube channel and you're trying to figure out the best way to level up your actual channel? Well, probably one of the best things that you can do is upgrade your microphone. So when you're using, say, your cell phone or you're using your DSLR mirrorless camera or even a web camera at your house and you record and it sounds like the audio is coming out kind of muddy or a little bit muffled or just doesn't sound as strong it could be, especially when you start looking and comparing to other YouTubers that are actually out there doing very similar videos to yourself, whether it's streaming, whether it's just straight up recording and editing. Well, the issue you're going to be looking at is your microphone is probably not up to snuff. It's typically not the best quality because you're looking at a little small microphone. Now, when you start upgrading microphones, you are going to get much better quality. Now, what I'm using right now is I'm using one of the Rode wireless microphones, and I'm using it attached to this particular Interview Go microphone adapter that they have. They only sell this little adapter for like $29, but the microphone I'm using, they have a few variations of it. They have the ME, they have the Go, and then they have the Pro. What I'm using right now is actually the Go 2. Now, they've re-released it a few times. They've taken the number away, so now it's just the Rode Wireless Go. As you can see, the audio is much nicer sounding compared to just using your actual microphone on your phone. Because right now I'm using a Samsung S23 Ultra. It's a few years old. The picture quality is going to be pretty good. But when it comes to your audio, it doesn't matter who really makes it. It doesn't matter if it's an iPhone. It doesn't matter if it's going to be a Samsung or an LG or anything like that. The audio is not going to be quite where you really want to have the quality. So when you start looking at these guys, the Rode Wireless Go, like what I have here, want to say they go for about $150, $200. Depends on if you get it with a single microphone or with two microphones. You have the Rode Wireless ME microphone. That typically goes for, I think, a little over $100. I think it's about $100, $125. You do have the Micro, which is a really, really nice little alternative. It's probably the cheapest option you're going to be looking at when it comes to doing your microphones by Rode. That's this little guy right here. So it's just two little microphones. It's literally a plug and play kind of thing. It just plugs in with USB-C right on the side of your phone. For cameras, you got to get a different adapter, but you can typically get that adapter for free if you register your microphones directly with Rode as well, which is really, really nice. On top of that, Rode gives great warranties when it comes to registering your stuff. So typically you're normally looking at a year warranty, but when you register, a lot of their stuff, they bump you up from anywhere from 3 up to 5 years. It really depends on the actual item itself. So hopefully this is giving you guys a little bit better insight on how a microphone is going to sound when it comes to utilizing your phone. Check your settings. There's stuff you can do in post-production after you actually record your videos to make your audio a little bit better. But it's always better to have the right equipment before you actually start. Now, you can use your phone when you're starting out doing YouTube, but your microphone would probably be the best upgrade that you can look at. A lot of times your wireless microphones aren't super expensive. Again, I use the Rode microphones, and I absolutely love the Rode microphones. But obviously, there are different companies that are out there. You can always get yourself a little lavalier microphone. Sony's got one, and there's many different options. You can walk right into a local Best Buy or a local retailer that sells electronics and microphones and things like that, and you can get yourself a much better quality one than what's going to be in your phone. So some you can probably get little $30, $40, $50 sets for a very small amount of money. Now, the one I didn't talk about, the last one I didn't talk about by Rode is the Pro microphone set. That typically goes around $275 to $300, depends on the actual sale itself. It does come with a little more. It comes with the two Pro microphones, very similar to what you're seeing right here. It comes with two lavaliers, and it comes with a recharging case. So you actually can plug it, put all three of your actual little squares into the little adapter, and actually charge it all at once. So,
Well, it looks like my microphone actually died, guys, for the last 30 seconds, so I'm just going to dub over this a little bit. I appreciate you guys coming and watching the video. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe down below. Hopefully you learned a bit about some of the really nice Rode microphones you can get from beginner up to a little more professional. And I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit record, post your first video, and let me know what you did it on. Later.